Government of India, Akoi Maruina, Governor Gi, through the Giapana and Wadi Kana, the Hari Bangasi, Pose, Bangkok, Japan. Suddenly you see government now, no separate administration, Basiki Pose, Moida, Cookie, Sing Natali, the Piroi, having economic assurance, Akoi Kadisanaman in Abovata. Hari Sigi Pose Lai, Hariba. Aduga, Poliska, Akoiga Mari, Hana, Habak Minaraga. Peace Samsung development lang na po honda da ko ni sumating pangba hai bo po simaga adamana le re aduga ko gi peripheral area da leiriba maitai gi sigi yumsing natraga mi sing do adugi potu central gi forces amasung state gi forces animakna yamna safe and secure oina thamgani haibagi point da adugi su yanaba mo de adigi Semana magalay, masih point yamna kanoina dum lobi bayai. Kari umak kokina. Hari banga sige koi sige posi pangthok karaba matung sida kari umak kokina maitai gi area da natraga maitai da yamna akan mongda kut tharakna so pan ke do tawraba adoi daragadi aramai tengolda amona madugi ritale tawna bi honabda angam ba koina tawning ba tawba akoina tawrkudo poto madu government so accept tawi betai have kan da adugi poto da yes hai aduga lona village volunteer force aduga including aramai tengol yauna general amnesty leidiba ngasigi tawriba post deya asigi matung tarakda piba Moido, okay, honorable governor na cover the so high grade Taki, a city lady of Posina Manamoraga, Madudamaya, Samjarabani, Namadu, Botoko, wait and was me, Adu, the brother of where I'm writing all when Makatana, Lakini, Adu Lunena, Atarushabo in da Apogi Lady Bar, and I might get Olgi Hanagi, Momente, Masita Karigumanta, problem in the Bako, Dum Sasaba. Adugi Potomaga, Yabalay, Adu Lunena, Sigi Matakala, NRC. Uniform selaga ke doroga koi ramagi sasaba adu kan form lai ke abagi forum da adu tawiu haidana aduna maramo daga sigi point taruk site da aham boina akoi gi 1 2 3 4 5 6 ni adigi 7 subadana leiriba NRC gi pot today da akoi da athu da update ama tawiraga madugi posi NRC chana da ugi process khore habagi forama khangan ba FMR gi forama free movement regime gi pot today da makata na sangjalan ba adagi border fencing che atubada loisana bagi moi go hona gani hai adu koi monitor tawjari adu ma tawri bre yengba loinana 1960 gi MLR Act ki posima akoi semto kandu da madugi makata rakpada maitei singda hena sapu piba hena kana bagi wada iduda yengchen bina bagi wari ma yanaba adu loinana akoi gi poppy cultivation gi pose yamna tuna full swing da moi go ba mothana bagi pambai horokani aduna truck ta kai da option riba mangi ba angang sing gi youth sing se madu kan yana ba adum ba point mayam se akoi yana matung nga sige hariba thabak se phangkok chabani na mayam thamjage la side gi akoi su chakudi jajadri adubu press ki sinau sing na nga side gi seida achauba thodang lobi dana khangbi raga sigi level bo ngai bi dana leiriba sinau press ki mayam punamak se param jaraga aramai tengolna thagat chabam sung tawimam thamu chari ai kholai akoi se 241 ni asi akoi sida submit tawis
si loina mak tawhen lobu yara
noi tawgram on the record
ada sarkari taraf kana yauge
gamna da
wari sana bje sarkari
gamna da akoi sigi ko se kana tawjara ngasi ko nadi gamna na thabira ko dipui tawgira ko moi official mayam da akoi tawjara
kana yauge sarkari taraf
di akoi gi lairiba Impal West ki ST adagi Pasemar gi commandant adagi CID gi koi SP asi moi debate to birap admain salasi ko honorable governor of Manipur. The point I have already mentioned, but for the English news channel, I'll just read it out from here, because there are certain points like NRC. This should be implemented very soon. This is what they agreed upon. FMR, FMR, they said there are certain changes there. We are watching on to it. Then illegal immigrants, they are saying they will definitely find out who are there and they will deport. Then also about the poppy cultivation, they said they will try their best to make it clean poppy cultivation in Manipur. So these are the things. Apart from there, no separate administration. They said they will not give to cookie. That is one point. Then we need to have a good relation with the police personnel so that the peace and the peaceful atmosphere prevail in Manipur. The periphery areas in the outskirts of Manipur, the outskirts, peripheral areas in the Delhi, they should be guarded by the central forces and as well as state police. Okay, this is one very important point. In the process, in the agreement we made, if like Kuki have attacked us and there are loss of life and it affects the property of the Metis people, then of course Arambai Tengol will retaliate. They said they can do. That means they are saying they will guard the peripheral areas of Imphal Valley 100% safe. That is what they mean. And we also asked for general amnesty to the village volunteers, including Arambai Tengol. They said they will consider, and they also mentioned that this has been published in the newspaper, where if things are happen within this stipulated time, they will excuse for all cases against those people involved. And last but not least, they agreed upon the free movement of Arambai Tengol with their uniform in and around. So there is no problem with the government authority.
Okay.
That's